Okay, today I'm going to try out something. I'm going to make a video of making a Hangman game. This is in VSCode. This is probably the simplest thing you can do to start. So hopefully you've got this set up. If you're under the chat button and type in here what you want the model to do. This is where you select your model. It starts out as auto, but it's kind of better if you pick one thing because then you know what it's going to do. Clyde Haiku 4.5 has a pretty long test trail right now. Set to agent. If you were going to ask questions, you could use this one, or plan. I'm just going to kind of know what I'm doing, so I'm just going to do agent. I'm going to do bypass approvals so that it's approving more stuff. If you select default approvals, it's going to ask you a lot of questions. We're going to try to skip some of that. And here we go. I'm just going to tell it what to do. So it's done writing it. Usually there's something down here that tells you when it's still running, but it's done. It wrote the program. So now how are we going to use it, right? So it tells you in here to play run Python Hangman. You can do that, or you can tell it to make a bat file, which is what I usually like. Bat files are nice because you just double click them. You can definitely run the thing in Python, but if you're not familiar with Python, just one more thing to make it harder. Okay, so this will be in your file. Okay, so this is the folder that I have the Hangman game in. I'm just gonna hit this run Hangman bat, and then it's gonna open up the game. And this is the game, so it's gonna ask for difficulty. I don't wanna die on the first one, so we're gonna do easy. Okay. So, oh, no R's. No S. We're not off to a good start. No T. No L. Got an N. Nice. It was moon.